This toilet seat riser was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing it, assembling it, and showing you how it looks once it's installed in my bathroom. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged neatly. Inside the box, you'll find the frame, the seat, adjustable legs, handles, hardware, and the instruction manual. As I take everything out, I show each piece so you can get a better idea of everything that's included. Next, I begin assembling the toilet seat riser. The majority of this video is the assembly process, so I walk through the different steps as the frame comes together. I start by attaching the legs and support frame. Then I install the seat and handles, tightening everything down as I go. The instructions are easy to follow, and seeing each piece come together gives you a good idea of how it's assembled. According to the manufacturer, this supports up to 450 pounds and is designed with adjustable height and width to help fit a variety of users, as well as both round and elongated toilets. As I continue assembling it, you can see the sturdy side handles, which are designed to provide additional support when sitting down or standing up. Once the assembly is complete, I place it in my bathroom so you can see what it looks like installed over a standard toilet. I also demonstrate how easy it is to adjust the height. The adjustment process is simple and doesn't take long, making it easy to customize the fit if needed. At the end of this video, I give you a few different views of the finished setup so you can see how it fits well in the bathroom and how much space it takes up. Overall, I think this is a well-designed toilet seat riser. Between the adjustable height and width, sturdy support handles, compatibility with both round and elongated toilets, and straightforward assembly, it looks like a practical option for anyone recovering from surgery or looking for additional support and stability in the bathroom.